Hey there, I'm back again with another Ateez reaction, and this time it's going to be the collaboration between them and what was his name? Jong Kook. Kim Jong Kook. Which was Be My Lover or Para Poro Kare. I think. I'm trying my best here. Yeah, sure. This is just gonna be a fun little video, and yeah. Shh. Don't start without me. Let's see, and I actually get subtitles for this one. I don't know what to expect with this, but will you be my lover, or be my lover? It sounds like could be a fun little love song, but I don't know what vibe they're going for. So, yeah, sure. Okay. Ooh, vibe change. Ooh. Ooh. I really love this. This actually surprised me a lot because usually, and please don't kill me for this, usually I'm not much for like the cutesy concept, and I don't know if this is completely cutesy, but like the melody in the chorus and as well as the choreography in the chorus is very cutesy. And I normally hate that, usually, because it usually feels very forced, and I don't know. But in this context, I actually really liked it because it kind of seemed like a bridge between Ateez and Kim Jong Kook. Um, in some sort of way, like they could agree on doing this cutesy thing that's a little bit outside of at least Ateez's usual thing. Like they do some cutesy things like Illusion, um, but it's not what they usually do a lot of. From what I've seen, and I don't know. I haven't really seen anything from Kim Jong Kook. Like heard Ateez's cover of the Black Cat Nero, and on my own personal time, I just checked out to see what the vibe of the original one was, and that's definitely not cutesy. And also, just I kind of love the dissonance between this, like he is a big and very muscular man, and seeing him do those moves without like trying to make a fool of him, I love that. That actually looked great. So I don't know. For this song, I don't mind the cutesy stuff, to be honest. And I love where this was shot. I love the way they choose to shoot it. And of course, a little love song, and they choose to have Usan together. Of course, that doesn't surprise me, but I loved seeing it. The overall vibe is great. I must say I was very surprised by Kim Jong Kook's style of singing, but that could just be like, I don't know, some sort of preconceived notion from my side, with like seeing how he looked and then thinking how would he sound. Uh, that style of singing wasn't what I expected of him, but it worked. It worked so well. He has a very different vibe from the rest of Ateez singing wise, so I really love that. That they made it work. They made it fit together, and I really enjoyed this. So yeah, I actually didn't know that it was in the list of the music videos. So I did plan on reacting to this anyways, because a lot of you guys suggested it, and thank you guys for suggesting it because it was a fun little song. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, thank you. And yeah, for the next one, it is Deja Vu, which I'm worried about because one of you mentioned, like I said, that the fireworks, the Bulnoria music video, I probably wasn't gonna show my son because I don't know how to explain it. And one of you put in the comments that, yeah, this one and Deja Vu would probably be hard to explain. So I'm a little bit worried about Deja Vu. But we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, as always, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, thank you for your comments on every video. I really enjoy reading them, hearing your opinions and suggestions, and yeah, you're just in general great to interact with. So thank you guys, and we'll see each other on the next one, which is going to be Deja Vu. Bye.